Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to BitGet. And if you want to do that, we go right here to settings and we select right here manage plugins. There right here we scroll down and there we have it, BitGet. Then we select right here on install and then he's downloading the plugin and now it's done. Click this away and then we go to connections and go to configure. Then we select right here add connection and then we go to platform and we select right here BitGet. Then right now you see right here that we want to enable trading where you can add the API key, and then after that we click here on OK, and then if you go to connections you see right here BitGet, and now if we click right here on OK, we just connected BitGet to Bookmap. So this is how you can connect Bookmap to BitGet. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.